Hello friends, in this video I am going to check compression for web. We already checked bending for flange and bending for web, also compression for flange. In this video we will see how to check compression for web. For this calculation also we need Eurocode 3 design of steel structures PDF. So please open that PDF and turn to page 42. In page 42, you will find a table 5.2, sheet 1, and there you can find a column part subjected to compression. First, we will check class 1 condition. If this is not satisfied, we will jump to class 2 condition. So this is the class 1 condition. So what is this C? You can understand the meaning of C using these figures. So you can see C is the depth between fillets. So we already know this value from the steel blue book. So we found this before in the properties of the section video. This simple D means the depth between fillets. So it is 476.5. So this simple D means here this C. So I can write C equals 476.5 millimeters. What is this T means? So T is the thickness of the web, which means this TW. TW is 14.7. So I can write simple T equals 14.7. So now I can find the C over T ratio. C over T ratio is equals to 32.4. I already explained how to get these values. So if you didn't know how to get these values, please go to the description and find the video 1. In video 1, I explained how to get these values from the steel blue book. So now I know C over T ratio. Now I have to find this 32 epsilon value. Epsilon is equals to 0.94. This also I explained before. So if you want to know how to get this value, please watch video 2. Since we know the epsilon value, now we can find 32 epsilon value. 32 times epsilon equals to 31. So now I can compare C over T ratio and 32 epsilon value. So as you can see, 32.4 is not less than 31. That means C over T is greater than 32 epsilon. That means not okay. That means class 1 is not satisfied. Then what we should do? Then we have to check class 2 condition. So next we will see what is the class 2 condition is. So this is the class 2 condition. It says C over T ratio is equal or less than 38 epsilon. So we already know C over T ratio. So now just we have to find epsilon value. Epsilon T is 0.94. So 38 epsilon T equals to 35.7. Now we can compare C over T and 38 epsilon value. So this is okay. So as you can see, 32.4 is less than 35.7. That means C over T ratio is less than 38 epsilon. So this condition is satisfied. Hence we can write hence okay. So now we can write therefore web class is class 2 compact. Now I can summarize the results. Compression check. Flange class is class 1 plastic. Web class is class 2 compact. That means overall section class for compression is class 2 compact. Here you can see there are different classes, but I choose class 2 compact. That's because always we give priority to the higher number of class. I will say another example. So let's say flange class is class 2 and web class is class 3. So we will choose class 3. Like that, we always give priority to the higher number of the class. That's why we choose class 2 here, because between class 1 and class 2 higher number is 2. Therefore, we choose overall section class for compression as class 2 compact. So this is the end of this video series of section classification. If you like this video, please hit a like and share with your friends. And please comment your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.